What is up, my crew? How are you guys doing, man? It is nasty and muggy this morning. I'm just out having my coffee, thinking about my day. I have something I want to talk to you guys about. I'd like your help with. I was out at the Essen House in Middlebury. It has probably been a month ago, and I had this kid approach me who watches the show on YouTube. His name is Riley O'Brien, and I think he has some sort of disability, but he really likes the show and he likes cars and things like that. And he was out, I think, with his uncle or his grandfather there at Middlebury. But he approached me once. You know, he said hi and things. He watched the show, and then later on we walked past where he was at, and he approached me and he asked me if we could do a show together sometime, and I told him absolutely. But that's not really the part that gets me there, that really clings to me. After he asked if we could do a show together, he said that he didn't have any friends. And this is a kid probably 14, 15 years old. And I think he does have a disability, but guys, that's terrible. And I want to bring him out to Osceola or get a hold of him, and I want him to know that he has friends, that everybody at Trap My Ride and all the people from my crew are his friends. So I'm in the process of getting in touch with him, and we're going to do a shoot together. But I'd like to bring him up to Osceola so he can interact and see everybody and come hang out at the club one evening, and you know, just do a live shoot up there. So, you know, I really like your guys' help with that. If you'd help me, it'd make a big difference for that kid. And that has stuck in the back of my head and clung to my thoughts ever since. And guys, it tears me up, man. Like, after he said it, it took all I could do to hold my composure till I got back to the truck. And when I thought about it when I got back to the truck, man, I lost it for a minute, man. It's sad and it bothers me. So I'm gonna make a difference. I really do. And I just ask all you guys for your help. I'll make everything happen. Just maybe we'll have a good turnout that night, and everybody make a point, you know, say hi and, you know, be extra friendly. You know what I'm saying. So I'll put that together, guys, and I'm getting with Mike about Fort Wayne Cruise and getting a banner today. So hopefully that'll be coming too. But I hope everybody at my crew has a good day. Slowball, man, I'm sorry about your accident this morning. That does really suck. But, you know, you and your buddy, you guys are okay. That's the important part. You're here to tell us all about it. So there's other vehicles, brother. It just gives you an opportunity to get something else that you like better, or maybe even something nicer, you know. So things happen for a reason, brother. Just be safe. But that's what it is, guys. That's what I'm doing this morning. Thank you, my crew. I appreciate all of you. Keep on trapping, guys.